Since I've written Notes from the Brand Stand, I've had the privilege of being on a number of podcasts, some media interviews, speaking to leadership at either conferences or in smaller workshop sessions, fireside chats. And one of the things that I'm frequently asked is about the new world of technology, artificial intelligence, and what its impact is going to be on brands and brand practitioners, people like me who've made their living in the brand business. My answer, having thought about it a lot, is that AI is critically important. AI is probably the greatest enabler that brand practitioners and people from all walks of life have had in a long, long time, maybe forever. But as an enabler, what AI does, from my perspective, is it allows us to understand, to research, to explore, to look at examples, to look at processes, to code, to do a lot of things that are mechanically driven, faster, better, smarter, more accurate than we were able to do even a year ago. However, what I don't think AI does from a brand perspective is I don't think AI can provide connection. I don't think AI can provide that human warmth, human compassion, human understanding, and just general humanity that consumers typically crave from a brand. I don't think machines are going to earn a share of heart. People who are enabled with real-time, fast information, but then have the judgment to know what to do and to humanize that information as they connect with their customers is where I think the real advantage is. So AI is great in my mind. It's wonderful. I use it too. But AI will not and does not replace human touch.